Discover the SALCE Pipetter, a global benchmark in precision for dye-house laboratories. It was the first to introduce the volumetric concept to the lab environment. Delivering exact and consistently reliable dosing control. Crafted from high-quality glass, it ensures maximum stability, repeatability, and full compatibility with all products used in dye houses. After each use, cleaning is automatic and customized. The pipette goes through an efficient washing station, programmable even for challenging colors, preventing any residue or buildup that could affect results. Its automatic liquid level control eliminates formulation errors and alerts you when it's time to replace solution refills, ensuring total process safety. SALCE, unmatched precision, practical operation, and the trusted choice of dye house laboratories worldwide. Bring this innovation into your workflow.